on another Trouper road trip. I just took off my mask. See it? I made it. And we went to Whole Foods and I was so hungry. So I picked up some tofu. They have several kinds. This one here is called Thai peanut. It's a kind of sweet. I didn't look at the ingredients. I just was hungry and I got some tofu. Not sweet. It's not spicy, but it does taste good. Tofu's cooked well, soft on the inside, a little crunchy on the outside. But the sauce is good. This was one. I got three. This one is called Golden Sesame Tofu. It's got a lot of sesame seeds in there. And I do enjoy eating sesame seeds. I like to use tahini, so I thought I'd give it a try. Tofu's much harder than the other one. And it's sweet. The sesame seeds are small, as you know. But I don't get a crunch from them or much of a flavor from them. But it's okay. It's just kind of sweet for me. The last one is called Buffalo Tofu. I just got a few pieces of each one. That's what it looks like. And whoa, this one is hot. Like hot, okay? But it doesn't happen as soon as you bite into it. Oh my goodness. It comes back. It's like a afterburn after you've chewed it and you're starting to swallow. And definitely after you've already swallowed. There's a heat. And I didn't bring any water with me. Did you bring any, Evan?
Zero
water. Okay. So I'm gonna have to stop and get some water from somewhere, but this one is not bad. I think it would be good mixed with that sweet one if you wanted to do that. I would put them each on a salad or a sandwich. I don't know if I'd eat them all separate, by themselves. Out of the three, I would say my favorite is the Thai peanut. It's mild, it's not real spicy, tofu's cooked well. You could try them all, okay? So until next time, see you next time at the next Trouper road trip. I'll have to tell you about who came up with that name. I appreciate it. Bye for now.